Okay, I am going to do a brief demo on the skills review starting on page 7-34. It's a student request, and so it will just be relate to the specific request, and then if any other students have other needs relative to this particular skills review, be sure and let me know. This is chapter 7, so many of you have finished it by now, but again, for those of you that haven't and need some assistance with it, make sure you let me know. So we've opened 7-3, which is an InDesign document. We're going to do a file and we're going to do a save as, and we are going to save it as Garden Party underscore your name. Go to the community college and winner, and we're going to save it in here. Now the first step is to click the top edge of the frame containing the ghosted image, which would be this frame. And we want to select it or click on it with the direct selection tool. And if you'll notice, this is the selection tool. The direct selection tool is A, or accessible by your quick key A. We're going to click it here. And then we're going to drag this middle anchor point down to the first horizontal or cyan guide. And we want to make sure that those guides are locked. So we're going to go to grids and guides and make sure they're all locked. And I'm going to click this and I'm going to drag it down to the horizontal guide. And there we go. And then we're going to click the pen tool. I want to make sure we get the pen tool. And we're going to click or position the pointer over the bottom edge of the frame. I'm going to scoot down here over the bottom edge of the frame so that a plus sign appears beside the tool where you'll see that plus sign. And then we're going to click to add an anchor point at the 3-inch mark on the horizontal ruler. So we want to be at the 3-inch mark, which is right about where I am. I'm just going to move this over right here. And we're right at the 3-inch mark, and we're going to click to add a point there. Now we are going to click on deselect all. The way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to click off here, deselect all. Then again, I'm going to get the direct selection tool. I'm going to click one edge of the frame to select the frame. And then we're going to select the new anchor point. And then we're going to go to Edit on the menu bar. And we're going to click Cut. Then we're going to get the pen tool again. And we're going to position the pointer over the bottom left anchor point. Until a diagonal line appears beside the pen tool, and then we're going to click that anchor point. Moving up and to the right, we're going to click the intersection of the pink vertical guide and the orange horizontal guide. And then moving down and to the right, we're going to click where the next vertical guide intersects with the bottom of the page, which would be right here. And then we're going to repeat those steps until your image matches figure 63 or mine on the screen. And you want to click the anchor point in the bottom right corner to close this path. You can see that little circle beside the pin. Beside the pin, you'll see that that's closing the path. All right, and that was the student request. Again, if you find that you are in need of assistance with other steps in this particular skills review, let me know. Thanks very much. Hope this helps.